Changing the duration of still images on Final Cut Pro is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I have a project that has a video clip and an image that I've added to the editing board. Now, as you can see, once we have this image here and we press Control D, Control and the letter D as a dog, you see right here the duration of the still image. It's 2 seconds and 24 milliseconds. Now, once we move this, remove it, you realize the duration for the whole project keeps increasing. But when we click on the still image alone and we press Control D again, you can see the duration has moved to 5 seconds and 18 milliseconds. Now let's reduce it again and let's press Control D. Now you can see it's moved from 3 seconds to 48 milliseconds. And that's how to change the duration of still images on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.